Tinnitus, a condition characterized by a constant ringing or buzzing in the ears, affects millions of people worldwide. For those who suffer from this persistent noise, finding relief can be a daunting task. In this video, we will take a closer look at Sonofit, a revolutionary device that offers a potential solution for tinnitus relief. Join us as we explore the science behind Sonofit and discover how it works. Before we delve into the workings of Sonofit, let's first understand the phenomenon of tinnitus. Tinnitus is often caused by damage to the auditory system, exposure to loud noises, or certain medical conditions. The result is a constant perception of sound, even when there is no external source. This can significantly impact a person's quality of life and well-being. Sonofit is a cutting-edge device designed to provide relief from tinnitus symptoms. It works by utilizing a combination of sound therapy and advanced technology. The device emits specific frequencies and patterns of sound that have been shown to alleviate tinnitus-related discomfort. Sonofit is compact, portable, and easy to use, making it a convenient solution for individuals seeking relief on the go. Sonofit works on the principle of sound masking and habituation. By emitting a carefully calibrated sound, Sonofit helps to mask the perceived ringing or buzzing noise associated with tinnitus. Additionally, the device encourages habituation, which refers to the brain's ability to ignore or adapt to certain stimuli over time. This process can help individuals with tinnitus gradually become less aware of the persistent sound. Several clinical studies have been conducted to evaluate the effectiveness of Sonofit in tinnitus relief. The results have been promising, with many participants reporting a reduction in the intensity and frequency of their tinnitus symptoms. User testimonials further affirm the positive impact of Sonofit, with individuals expressing their gratitude for finding a reliable and convenient solution to manage their tinnitus. Sonofit offers hope for those who experience the debilitating effects of tinnitus. By leveraging the power of sound therapy and advanced technology, this innovative device aims to provide long-term relief and improve the quality of life for individuals with tinnitus. Don't let tinnitus hold you back any longer. Discover the science behind Sonofit and take control of your well-being.